If you experience low hair growth and want thick, healthy hair growth, dandruff relief scalp, and you need to make this DIY hair growth spray. If you experience shedding, breakage, slow hair growth, psoriasis on the scalp, dandruff, you need this hair growth tea. This is that DIY herbal hair growth tea to make at home if you experience stress-related hair loss, thinning and balding. This can be used on your little one as well from 2 years upwards. Thick edges, bald edges, thinning hair, all of the above. Make this hair growth tea using the ingredients that I'm about to show you on today's video. This product is so easy to make, so simple, yet so effective. Who is this for? Those experiencing extreme hair loss, slow hair growth, extreme scalp issues, inflammation, scabs, psoriasis, eczema, went through chemo and losing hair. This tea will help you immensely. Premature graying of the hair and so much more. Do not make this Ayurvedic hair growth mist if you aren't ready for extreme thickness of the hair with a side of scabs and dandruff-free scalp. This hair tea will eliminate dandruff, moisturizes, nourishes your scalp, eliminates itchiness and split ends, makes the hair soft and frizz-free. Make this hair tea if you experience hair fall, shedding, breakage and itchy, flaky scalp. You all hear me out, okay? I know you know about the ingredients and its great benefits for your hair, scalp and overall health. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dimma. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Before we begin, the first thing you will do is to sterilize your apparatus. I'm going to be using this jar and I have already washed and sterilized it. If you want a video of how I sterilize my tools, please check few videos away from this and you'll definitely see that. Our first ingredient is orange, not the orange juice per se. We are going to be using the orange zest, the back of the orange. That's exactly what I mean. So all you would do is to grab an orange like so, wash it thoroughly with salt. I had already done that, and then pat it dry. And the next thing you want to do is to grab your knife and then start peeling the orange. What we are going to be using for this recipe is the orange peel. Oranges are rich in antioxidants and other nutrients. They play a major role in facilitating hair growth. The antioxidants fight off free radicals, preventing hair damage and boosting hair growth. I know getting this won't be a challenge, so I just peeled my orange and that is what I have. If you're a proper African lady, you already know how to peel your orange like so. So what do? I will toss it into my jar. Moving on, we have our second ingredient, which is rosemary leaves. Results showed that rosemary essential oil was just as effective as minoxidil. During the process, it helped the side effect of itchy scalp more successfully than minoxidil. Another study of rosemary leaf extract, different from the essential oil, showed it stimulated hair growth. So for those of you out there, you guys should know this today, that rosemary is very effective. It can be likened to minoxidil solution sold out there. So moving on, boil up some water to 100 degrees Celsius. Pour about 500 ml worth of the hot water into the jar containing our rosemary and our lemon zest, our orange zest. Cover up your jar. I'm covering this with the lid because it is stainless. If my lid were to be plastic, I was going to use foil paper instead of the lid. So after about 12 hours of brewing or steeping this, or 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours. That's how you are allowed to steep this. Do not steep for 24 hours, else you are steeping another thing. Proceed to straining. So after straining, I will transfer to my applicator bottle or spray bottle. So our hair tea is ready. Very simple, so easy to make, like I told you in the beginning part of this video. Go ahead and add your essential oils for scents, or maybe any carrier oil. You can store this hair tea in your refrigerator for only 5 days. After 5 days, it loses its potency. Go ahead and throw it away and make a fresh batch. What it does is to lose its potency because you did not preserve it with a preservative. As you can see, mine is in the fridge. The day I made it, I didn't use it. I was to use it the next day. That's why you're seeing some ice on the bottle. So how are you supposed to apply this? Apply from root to tip, from the root of your hair to the tip of your hair. After application, make sure to massage that in. So if you have a child and you would want to use this on your child from 2 years upwards, please do not use this on babies that are not up to 2 years. From 2 years upwards can use this. Apply on your problem areas. Could be your edges, your naps, your crown section. Make sure to massage it in. This hair tea is very potent. If you are experiencing postpartum hair loss, please use this on your wash days. After washing your hair, deep condition. After deep conditioning, then you pour it on your hair and then rinse off after 30 minutes with water, and then proceed to moisturizing your hair and styling. This product is amazing. If you're using it as a leave-in, apply on your root to your tips, and then follow up with your leave-in conditioner, and then seal with hair growth oil. After which you proceed to style your hair. This product can be used on protective styles. It's even best used on protective styles, because if you keep using it during your protective style, once you're about to take it down, you'll be amazed at your results. Just make sure you follow up with leave-in conditioner and a sealant. It could be your hair growth oil, it could be your hair grease, it could be your hair butter. That's how to use this. Do not miss it. Always watch my videos to the end, because towards the end, that's where the instruction lies, so that you don't go doing another thing. Some of you will just watch few minutes video and then go and start applying it multiple times daily, and then when you run into protein overload, or maybe you have issues with your hair, you come to the comment section and start ranting. So it is imperative that when you're watching a video, watch to the end. Thank you for watching. Ask your questions and I'll see you soon.